You can see I'm timing out. They flooded me once already. My God. Lost connection to host. It's gonna time me out. I'm just gonna wait. My God, dude. It's ridiculous. Let's see if I can join back. It's not gonna let me join back, but it's gonna sign me out soon. Okay. Well, you can see down here that my internet's completely gone. They knocked off my internet. Actually, let me pull it up. They knocked off my internet. You can see no internet access. Oh, look. Signs me on a PlayStation. Wow, imagine that. Where'd you go? Flood me. Kid Ink, dude, you're the best. Alright, let's try signing in. Just gonna be waiting here. It's gonna say DNS error because they knocked off my internet. Second time now. Wow, DNS error. Isn't that weird? They shut off my internet with their little packets, dude. Oh my God. Wow. Imagine that. Now I gotta go reset my router. Thanks for flooding us, Kid Ink. Good game. You lost.